points. This is for 7th class, first chapter, sentences. And today we will start with the some sentences assignment, and I will give you some questions related to the sentences. I will recall all the points whichever we have done in first chapter. Sentence is a group of words conveying a complete meaning. किसी भी sentence का complete meaning sense निकल रहा है उसे हम सेंटेंस कहते हैं. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, सचित इज प्लेइंग फुटबॉल, व्हाट अ फाइन आइडिया. So there are you can see complete senses coming. So there are different kinds of sentences. See, there are 4 kinds of sentences: interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and affirmative sentences or negative sentences. Negative sentences are those sentences in which we are put not. जब नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में हम नॉट पुट कर देते हैं, देन वी विल से नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, और सिंपल सेंटेंसेस को हम अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस कहते हैं. So here we have the defines of different sentences, like interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, you see these sentences are used to ask questions. At the end of the question sentence, you have put question mark, so it means you will asking question. For an example, what have you planned for the future? What have you planned for the future? Should I call up Kamna? So this is also end with question mark. So they are called interrogative sentences. Next is imperative sentences. These sentences are used to give command, make request or offer एडवाइस. किसी भी चीज़ से रिलेटेड इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस में हम किसी को कमांड देते हैं, या किसी से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, या फिर किसी को एडवाइस कर रहे हैं, ऑफर कर रहे हैं एडवाइस. सो दे आर कॉल्ड इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस. हेयर यू कैन सी कम हेयर, दिस इज़ अ कमांड. क्लोज द डोर, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ command. So these 2 sentences are imperative sentences. Next is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences में हम अपनी strong feelings को express करते हैं, अपनी feelings को बताते हैं कि हमारी feelings कैसी हैं, and these sentences are end with exclamation sign. These are called exclamatory sentences. How cold the day night is, so there is exclamatory sentence, so they are exclamatory sentences. Next is affirmative sentences or negative sentences. In affirmative sentences, the conveys an information, means simple sentences are called affirmative sentences, but in our negative sentences we will put not, they are called negative sentences. Now I will give you some exercise related to this chapter. See here, this is the first assignment related to the 7th class, related to first chapter. There are the some words, meaningful sentences. आपको इनको फ्रेम करना है. मैंने आपको पजल वर्ड्स दिए हैं, सेंटेंसेस के कुछ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दिए हैं, बट दे आर नॉट इन अरेंजमेंट. ये प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट में नहीं है, इनको आप प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट में करेंगे. तो इन्हें आप नहीं मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस निकलना चाहिए, इस तरीके से अरेंज करेंगे. दिस इज़ द होमवर्क, यू हैव टू डू इट, एंड दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट रिलेटेड टू द फर्स्ट चैप्टर, द सेंटेंसेस. So this is the practice for the first chapter as the according to the PT1 syllabus. So you can see here the sentences. First is, the film I have ever seen, that's never seen so many cars I have in one place. Is beautiful, isn't it? The view here. Is getting married my brother who lives in Bengal next month. You go, don't you, to my school. Is, where do you know the nearest bus stop? And related to this assignment only, we have a second question. In this second question, you have to write it down the type of sentences what we have discussed just now only about interrogative sentences, assertive, interrogative, and exclamatory and affirmative sentences. You can use these 4 kinds of sentences and write the kinds of sentences in front of the sentences. So this is the homework, and you have to practice these 2 questions in your fair notebook. You have to put by doing assignment. First sentence is, a child is crying in the backyard. Second is, what a shame. See, what a shame. This is end with question mark. You make sure that just you can see, what a shame. This is exclamatory sign. So you will, how you will, what is the type? Exclamatory. Should I call up Kamna? Should I call up Kamna? This is end with question mark, so this is interrogative. Close the door. This is then this is an order, you can see. And here are the different sentences. You have to do it in your fair notebook by putting the write it down the type of a sentences.